First up, of course, is the filament winder. Every Wildman tube and nose cone starts its life on this very machine from 29mm all the way up to 12 inches in diameter. The spools of filament are pulled through a bath of epoxy resin and wrapped around the mandrel automatically. The machine goes through various steps as it winds the tube or nose cone, alternating wind angles and speeds. The whole winding process on this 6-inch nose cone took a hair under 30 minutes, and you can see the winder makes a single final pass as it moves from top to bottom. You might be surprised by the exterior roughness in comparison to the finished product you've received from Wildman, but this is indeed how all the components come off the winder. We'll get more into how they're finished here in a moment. From the winder, the components are put in an oven to heat cure for several hours. Once they're cured, the finishing process can begin. The excess ends from the winder overlap are cut off and the components are ground down to their final finish. For nose cones, they're placed on this grinder that makes a single direction pass to grind the nose cone into spec, and after the first pass to knock everything down, a second pass is performed to ensure it's at the desired diameter and consistency. Tubes are passed through this massive grinder that uses a liquid lubricant, and like the nose cone, multiple passes are performed to get the tube to its ideal diameter and consistency. Fins and centering rings are made from G10 fiberglass and cut on this CNC router table. Vacuum pulls through the board on the table to secure the G10 sheet while the router follows the program cuts like you see here. Once they're cut, the vacuum is deactivated and the parts can be easily removed. From here, the centering rings are done, but most Wildman fins have one more step: beveling. The Wildman crew carefully passes each fin through their calibrated beveling machine to ensure consistent bevels across all of the fins of the same size. Of course, those fins need somewhere to go, and generally that means the associated tube needs slots put in it. Or, in the case of this Demon 150, the boat tail needs slots. But this is the same machine that's used to slot both tubes and boat tails as you see here. A Wildman crew member measures the diameter of the nose cone that will become the boat tail to ensure it's cut at the right length to fit an Aeropack retainer. From there, the slotting machine is used to cut a uniform straight cut, and once that cut is made and everything's checked for sizing and fitment, a program is sent to the machine to execute a pattern to slot the tube or boat tail. From there, it's just a matter of collecting all the parts from the machines and packaging them up to be delivered to your front door.